Won Kasak, film Thumka Highland.
Lengsin Biraksi, Pamchui Won Kasak for the film Thumkai Lan. And to do the honor, may I request N. Rajeswari Devi, donor of the award.
Best Actress in Tribal Dalek Film for the 8 Triple S Manifa 2019 goes to Pamchiwon Kasak for the film Thumka Highland. Congratulations, Pamchiwon.
Memento, Case Award, Citation Amadi, Gift Hamper, Venkat Piraglivi Kai Kunazarivi and Rajeswari Devi. Award Asigi, donor na Kuchinabigan. Congratulations, Pamchiwon Kasak. Congratulations once again.
And thank you, Madam and Rajeshwari Devi, donor of the award. And moving on to our next award is Best Actor in Tribal Dalek. And can we have the clipping, please?
Best Actor in Tribal Dalek film Thotngachan Raikhan, film Thumka Highland.
네, 믹시네리요.
We would like to invite on stage the winner of the Best Actor in Tribal Dalek film Thotngachan Raikhan for the film Thumka Highland. Congratulations, Thotngachan Raikhan. And to do the honor to give the memento and cash award, I would like to request on stage Ketrimayum Gauranityai Singh, donor of the award.
May I hope Kuwa Magaloina Oja KHS Gauranityai Singh, award Sigi donor Butaram Nok Pigani. Memento, cash prize, citation, loan and a gift hamper, Kudol Tambigani.
Congratulations once again, Thotngachan Raikhan, for the Best Actor in Tribal Dialect Film.
Thagachari Oja KHS Gauranityai Singh, award Sigi donor Oibikiba, Oja Uso Thagachari.
And moving on to our next award is Best Feature Film on Tribal Dialect of Manipur. And can we have the clipping, please?
Best Feature Film on Tribal Dialect of Manipur, Thumka Highland Tangko Film, producer Assurance Raikhan and Mapao Jingso, director Assurance Raikhan and Mapao Jingso.
Film Sigi, producer Assurance Raikhan and Mapao Jingso. Stage sector Venkat Pirakani. Lunana director Subio Yanisi Nadamak Wibivani. And to present the award, Koksinjari Mr. N. Uttam Kumar, Director, Liberty Theatre and Image TV, Media Partner Soibiriba, Oja N. Uttam Kumar, Linksin Birakani, Memento Amadi, Case Award Kudul Tambigani. Loinana Dr. T.H. Ojit Singh, donor of the award, citation Amadi Gift Hamper Kudul Tambinaba, Koksinjari. Agachari. Best feature film on tribal dialect of Manipur. Tangkul film Mamakata Kuchinakraba Matung.